Same niche, same effort, but one creator grows fast and the other stays stuck. The difference? One is creating for people, the other is creating for the platform's reward system. A lot of creators saying, the algorithm don't like me, the algorithm hates me, but platforms don't run on emotions. They run on rewards and signals. Every social media platforms has one goal. One, keep users on the application or on Facebook longer. Number two, keep users safe. Number three, show content people actually enjoy. So they reward creators who help them do that. Here's what platforms quietly reward. Number one, content that keeps people watching. If people are watching longer, they don't scroll away. Rewatch, stay until the end of the video. This platform sees your content as valuable. That's why hooks matter. Storytelling matters. Pacing of your content matters. Not because it's trendy, but because retention is a reward. Number two, content that creates interaction. Platforms love when users comment, share, save, reply. Why? Because conversations, people is staying on your content. A post with nice pic, that's no, versus with what would you do in this situation, that's check. Highly recommendable. Number three, consistency, not perfection. Posting it regularly tells the system, this creator is active, this account is alive. You don't need viral every time. You need signals over time. Small engagement plus consistency equals platform trust. Number four, community safe content. You can go viral and still lose your reach if you break rules and guidelines. Platforms reward creators who avoid misleading content, avoid harmful claims, follow community standards. Safety, it would lead to platform trust. Trust would result to distribution. Number five, content people return for. If someone searches your page or visit your profile, watches your videos again and again, follows after viewing, the system marks you as worth recommending. This is why niche clarity is powerful. The truth, platforms don't reward luck. They reward retention, interaction, consistency, safety, audience satisfaction. When you align with what the platform wants, growth becomes predictable, not anymore accidental.